Hello and welcome to English class of Standard 12. We were doing lesson 1.6 Into the Wild, and today we will be doing brainstorming of part 1 and part 2. Let's start with brainstorming activities. We are doing brainstorming section. The first activity is you have to discuss the professions and challenges that one can take happily if one is really passionate about the job. So the professions that one can take, that is you as the students you can decide, is photography, environmental conservation, writing, reporting, music, choreography, etc. Now the challenges these professions have, they are low salary, difficulties with organizations, uncooperative colleagues will be there, severe competition will be there, and so on. So considering the professions also there will be challenges. You have to decide accordingly as per your passion. Next is in groups organize a role play activity associated with wildlife expert, wildlife photographer, wildlife conservator, explaining the differences and similarities involved in their professions. So this you have to do it live in the class. Now this activity is arrange the sentences in proper sequence. The first one is the langur saw the leopard. The author was moving from the jungle as quietly as possible, finding his way through the thicket. Then the author met a villager. The writer realized that he was lost in the woods. So the answers you have to write it in such a way that you write the alphabets also, but you have to write it one below the other, first, second, third, fourth, in that sequence. Next activity is correct the false statements. Earlier, Shahs was in the field of finance. This is a correct statement. BCRTI was founded out of a genuine urge to conserve the habitat of the wildlife. This statement is correct. Third one, Shahs failed to utilize the finance incurred out of tourism. Now this is a false statement, so you can write the correct statement as Shahs put up the finance incurred out of tourism to good use. Statement D, according to the local agriculturist, seeing is more essential than listening. So it is a false statement. Correct statement is according to the local agriculturist, listening is more important than seeing. Complete the given web. This is the question. It is to be presented in the same way as the question is given. The same web diagram you have to draw and you have to fill the blank place. Now here the question is signs of vicinity of the village. Vicinity means the visibility of the village. How in the lesson it is shown that the village was visible nearby. First one is you can write it in your own words. Marks of bicycle wheel that showed that the village was nearby. Droppings of blue bulls. The sounds of people talking in the loudspeaker. The lantern of a farm. All these are the things that show that village is nearby. Complete the following. This is from part 2. Responsibilities handled by Shahs. He is a photographer, cinematographer, and a big cat tracker. He is a man-animal conflict resolution seeker, speaking to those in conserving the planet's richness. He leads photographic safaris in Africa. He is a lodge owner and chronicler of the wild. Complete the flowchart stating the reactions of the petrified langurs due to the presence of leopard. Here is the flowchart given, and in the answer you have to write it in the same way. You have to draw the flowchart and you have to fill the blank columns. Kyak alarm call. You have to write who has said this and how. So leader of the gang making alarm calls. Next is speeding to the tree top near and far. Rest of the Langur brigade continued raising the alarm calls. So this will be the question in activity 2, complex factual. So you have to write it in the same way as it is given in the question and fill the blank boxes. Complete the web describing each step taken by the writer as a solitary traveler while moving in the jungle with great precautions. While moving in the jungle, what precautions did the writer Kiran Purandare take? So we have to write it in the same way as the web diagram is given and fill the blank boxes. The first one is camouflaging the hide, that is covering the hide, trying to make minimal sound, treading cautiously among the leaves, scanning the area visibility, watching with wide open eyes, grasping various sounds. All these you can write it in your own words and complete the web diagram. Here's a table that you have to complete by taking the topic that qualities that you would like to imbibe from nature, that is take from nature within yourself, and provide the reasons for the same, the reason for what you would like to take that from nature. Like from trees, the quality can be taken is of patience, because trees, they bear all the things like the attacks on them by the animals, birds and humans, and also they wait for the spring to bloom. They also patiently bear up different seasons like winter, autumn and so on, but they wait for the spring to bloom again. Next is from the streams perseverance, continuation. Sub, so streams can even wear down rocks with their perseverance, with their continuous falling. So in this way we can take these qualities from nature and we can be strong morally and mentally. Choose the appropriate phrases, expressions from the extract given in the brackets. So you have to select the exact phrase or expression from the bracket and complete the sentence that is given. I was on diet for some days, but today I am going to eat to one's content. So this is completed for you. To one's content means to till the heart is full. Actually the stomach is full, but here we write the phrase till the heart's content. Next is every mother scolds her child time and again. Time and again means again and again for the overuse of mobile phone. Third sentence is all their educational problems were sorted out in a jiffy because of the funds given by the NGO. That is, in quickly the problems were sorted because of the funds given by the NGO. Raj ran at a frantic speed, just like a mad person. He was running to catch the train. This activity is a language study part. Begin the following sentences with the words given in the bracket. So you have to begin the sentence with the words given in the bracket. The first one, I'll read it. I can guide visitors. Visitors can be guided by me. Animals are paying me back. I am being paid by animals. In this way, you have to write the sentences beginning with the word given in the bracket. These activities you have to begin the sentence with the word given in the bracket. So the first sentence is Madhegowda is employed by the bison. The bison is the resort of Shasjang. The bison employs Madhegowda. Here we are changing the verb form, that is employed becomes employs. The surroundings were reminding me. The sentence you have to begin it with I. I was being reminded by the surroundings. So in this way you have to change the sentences. You have to begin the sentence with the words given in the bracket, change the verb form. The same activity is continued in this line, and here again you have to change the sentence by using the words given in the bracket in the beginning. So almost 80% of a season's yield of sugarcane has been lost by me. In this way you have to write the sentence by using the bracket form in the beginning and changing the verb form. Next sentence is tracking an animal also teaches you life lessons. Life lessons are also taught by tracking an animal. So in this way you have to complete this exercise. Now in this activity, using not only but also you have to rewrite the sentence. While doing so, before the verb we write not only, and the conjunction word and is being deleted, and the word but also is added in the sentence. Let's see the first sentence. The petrified langur speeded to the trees near and far and secured their places to the treetops. The answer is the petrified langurs not only speeded to the trees near and far but also secured their places on the treetops. Next is Umbarzara is the heaven for tigers, leopards and sloth bears. Umbarzara is the heaven not only for tigers but also for leopards and sloth bears. So in this way you have to complete this exercise. Now this is a writing skill question, and here you have to conduct an interview of Mr. Kiran Purandare. Frame 8 to 10 questions for interviewing Mr. Kiran Purandare. Now, while interviewing different personalities, the type of questions differ. So, while interviewing Kiran Purandare, who is an environmentalist, let's see what type of questions we are going to ask. You can wish in the beginning, and then you can start with a brief introduction, and then you can start with the questions like, please tell us something about environmental studies course that you have studied. Are there any such courses in India, especially in Maharashtra? And you can go through all these questions, and lastly you can say, thank you sir for answering our questions so frankly. We wish you all the best in your future and yours. So in this way you can write the questions, interview questions, and present your answer. This again is a writing skill question. You have to write a report. Imagine you have visited the jungles of Nagarol. Write a report to be published in your college magazine or in a local newspaper. Let's see how the report is written. Write the heading, that is a catchy heading should be there, a week in a jungle. Then date line should be there, Mysore 13th May. Four of us, then begin your report. Four of us, how many people went? Four of us from NS College, Mysore spent a week at Nagarol National Park located in Kodagu district. It was exhilarating and education week. So the park is filled with waterfalls, hills, valleys, streams, forests. It is famous for its rich population of animals and birds. The Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, sloth bear, striped hyena, etc. are the predators that can be spotted in this park. Herbivores like elephants, cheetahs, samba, deer and barking deer are also spotted around the national park. So in this way you have to begin the report and describe the complete things that you want to present before the reader. In the next paragraph, you just write the complete details of your visit and the information you want to convey. Finally, concluding lines should be, after an experience like this, all four of us have decided to visit various sanctuaries and take an avid interest in the wildlife of India. This is an interesting concluding line. And end the report by writing the name who has written the report. Like here it is written Shantanu Pratap. In this way the report is written. Now this activity is related to writing skill. You have to write an appeal about conserving the wild animals and their habitat. Now this is related to the lesson. Shaz has contributed towards conserving the wild animals and their habitat. College has decided to spread the message in the society and arrange a rally. Prepare an appeal to ensure maximum participation, informing about the date and other relevant details. So in this way the appeal is to be written. Come one, come all, come with friends and family. We need your help to save our planet. Every species is essential for the survival of the planet. Hence, we need to protect and conserve wild animals and their habitat. You are the one with a voice. Protect the animals without a voice. Participate in our rally. The details about the rally are to be given. NS College grounds to Forest Office. Date is given 12th November. time 9 a.m. and last line is save animals, they will save you. So in this way you have to prepare the appeal as per the topic given to you. Nature is a great teacher and a guide. Complete the mind map as instructed as per the titled concept. Now here is a mind map. This we have already studied. You have to complete it. This one is done for you. Nature teaches, most importantly, what does nature teach? Nature teaches is the main topic. Then subtopics are given. You can add your own points here. Most importantly, never to stop discovering. To be humble, nothing is impossible to achieve. The hard times do not last forever. To accept change. So all these are the points. You can add your own points and elaborate the mind map. Next activity is surf the internet and obtain more information about conservation work done by Shahs. Prepare posters to inspire others and display them on your college notice board. Now this you can do it on the internet. Next is find out the information about the qualification and eligibility required in professions related to wildlife such as forest officer and ranger. What is the qualification needed, and also eligibility, that is what is the age bar and all that you have to find out. Environmentalist, tour manager, wildlife photographer, geologist. So if you have interest in that, you can go and search about this in on the internet. With this, we have come to an end of our lesson Into the Wild. In the next video, we will start with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video, and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.